Yo, what's up, YouTube? So for my first ever YouTube video, this is probably not the greatest circumstances. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. So literally just got the car and it is already cooked here. So as you can see, I can literally finger my car. I can finger my tire. Like I can fit my whole hand into that, bro. Like that's crazy. And over here, you can see this had a bubble. I actually thought this would be worse, but the run flats came in clutch with this one. But yeah, so a little quick story time on what happened to the car. As I said before, I just got the car. It wasn't today, right? I got it a week ago. Wait, no, 2 weeks ago. But as you can see, I also changed the grill. Like you could tell that I didn't just get the car, but car had 38K miles. When I bought it from old dude, bro. Barely drove the car, maybe 10 miles a day to his work and back. And some rich dude lived by the lake, so you already knew this car was well taken care of. So yeah, and this is 2017 540i, well taken care of car, and I already ruined it already. So this is why you don't give cars to teens, but whatever. Quick story time of what happened. Literally yesterday, I was driving and I was all the way in the left lane, and like, bro, it was like so many cars, right, that were just going slow. I was in the left lane, bro was going slow. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go around, dude. Let me go see if there's a median. Let me go around, dude. And as soon as I go over to see if there's like a median, like so it's two lane roads on both sides. And then in the middle it was a left or right lane, so you could like turn left or right, and there was no medians for like a half mile. And as soon as I choose to look over and see if I can go around the dude, because bro was going too slow for me, way too slow, there's a median that pops up, boom, hit the median, bro. I wish I had a dash cam. The video would literally go viral, bro. Went up in the, kind of caught some air, bro, and yeah, both tires got fucked up. And literally could have been a lot worse. God bless, nothing crazy really happened for real. Could have been a lot worse. Could have went into oncoming traffic, swerved, went on oncoming traffic, and could have been it would be a whole different story. We probably wouldn't be here right now. So you know, I'm happy that happened, and I'm completely fine. All right, nothing happened to me, just the tires. Nothing happened to the rim. The only thing that could possibly have happened, other thing that could have happened to the car, was the axle could have broke, but it seemed fine when I was turning the wheel and all that, so it seemed completely fine. And yeah, completely my fault. Like I was just being dumb and wanting to get around people, and that's what I get for it. And I'm pretty sure that dude probably had a good laugh when he saw that. So yeah, but in this video, I'm just talking to you guys about what I'm gonna do to the car. And it's low-key a good thing that this kind of happened, because I was gonna get new tires anyway. These are all season, and it's the summertime, and I don't really care about all season. I live in North Carolina, so it don't snow. The only thing it does here is rain. That's really it. So I'm gonna get some summer tires, or I was thinking about getting some Michelin Pilot 4s and just changing the whole set. But at that point, I might as well get a whole new rim set. So either I'm just gonna get a whole new set of tires, or I'm going to, if I see something on Facebook Marketplace that I like, get a whole new rim set with the tires and call it a day. Hopefully that happens, so I can spend like $1,000 on rims and tires rather than just tires. But if not, whatever. So most likely just gonna buy a whole new set of tires, because nobody has the tires that these tires were made like 2 years ago, and they don't make these tires anymore, and nobody has them apparently. So gotta get a whole new set anyway. Fuck it, whatever. But we're gonna get a new set of the tires, and we are gonna do a lot to this car at the same time. I'm like, I was putting off doing a bunch of stuff to the car just because I just wanted to wait. But since this happened, might as well just get it all out the way. So first, we're gonna work on the maintenance. I'm gonna show you the under the hood real quick. Oh yeah, beige interior, by the way. non-M Sport, but it's whatever. You can kind of hear it. It's completely stock. Nothing was done to the car. So for stock, it's pretty decently loud, low key. Oh, and bro, this car looks like it's been sitting for a week. Bro, it was a lot worse. I don't know what happened to all the dust and stuff, but like this car looked like I literally just washed it 2 days ago. Oh yeah, my active wheels probably gonna open. It's really hot right now. It's really, really hot right now. Yeah, let me actually what's up. There we go. So everything is running fine. No coolant leaks yet, at least. But let me make sure it's actually on. So yeah, no coolant leaks. I'm actually turning the car off real quick. I don't need it on. But yeah, no coolant leaks so far. Everything looks fine right now. I still am going to drain the coolant, put new coolant in there. And yeah, so I'm just do maintenance first before I actually start, messing with anything else. So we're gonna get new coils, new spark plugs. I'm gonna change the oil. What else? There's something else that I need to do as well. Maybe just those three. It's probably just gonna be those three. Just want to make sure that before I actually start messing with the car, internally with the engine, all that good stuff, that we have a good reset and everything's fine. So yeah, but everything looks fine. I just want to go ahead and get ahead of the maintenance before anything could possibly happen. And mainly it's always the coolant and the spark plugs definitely need to be changed. I'm at 40K miles now. So yeah, I put 2K miles on this in 2 weeks. That's crazy. Ain't gonna lie, that's kind of crazy. But when you get a new car, you always want to drive it all day. So that's what happens. And the more you drive it, the more likely bad things can happen. So it's whatever, but it happens. But yeah, everything else looks fine. No, it don't look like there's any coolant leaks, anything. So it's completely fine. But just want to go ahead and get ahead of the maintenance before anything does happen. So yeah, but she looks good. But after we do the maintenance, get an intake, and we are going downpipe. Depending on how loud the downpipe is, I might do a resonator delete as well, but gonna do that, and then we're going to stage 1. I was gonna skip and go ahead to stage 2 before I get the downpipe. I'm going stage 1. I'm just gonna get intake, and then I'm going to stage 1, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and get the downpipe, go stage 2. I was going to do stage 2 immediately, but I just want to go ahead and go just through all the stages individually, make more videos out of it, and you guys can see the progression of the build. But yeah, I already know some of y'all gonna comment in the comments talking about how I already messed up the car 2 weeks in, whatever. Shit happens, shit happens. Just got a little too confident, a little stupidity. Literally told myself before that even happened that I know there's gonna be a median that pops up as soon as I go to the left. As soon as I went to the left, boom. That would have been a viral video though. That would have been a crazy viral video. But yeah, she looks fine though. Everything else looks fine. No, nothing else popped up on the dash. So should just be the tires. Gonna replace the tires, get everything working fine. But yeah, not the best first video, but shit happens. But yeah, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Just me talking about the car, what I'm gonna do to the car. More videos coming soon, obviously, because I need to make money, because my pocket's about to run dry. So I need to start making that YouTube money. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna need that for sure. But yeah, leave comments on what you guys think I should do for the build. For the intake, I'm probably going to either do CTS or I'm gonna do mad intake. Kind of debating on which one I want to do, but one of those two. But you guys comment in the comment section what intake I should go with. all that good stuff, good brands, you know, let me know all that good stuff that, you know, who I should go with. I was gonna, don't tell me Dynon, because bro, I'm not paying $500-$600 for an intake that's gonna give me +2 horsepower. Sorry, I'm just not happening. I know it sounds good. Dynon really does sound the best that I've heard, or yeah, heard so far. But yeah, $500-$600 for an intake, you know, nah, I'm good on that. Y'all the ones that got all the bread, bro. I'm good on that. But yeah, she looks pretty. She's pretty. And she's gonna look really pretty real soon. Just gotta go ahead, work on that maintenance, the tires, and we should be good to go. So yeah, appreciate everybody who did watch the full entire video. Comment down below if you made it to the full video. You can comment in the comments if you want to. I don't give a fuck y'all. Not really though. But yeah, also M Sport. Yeah, I'm doing M Sport front bumper, back bumper as well, because I need that diffuser. And honestly, the front bumper, the non-M front bumper, does not look bad. I actually like it low key. But I'm gonna still change it. Need that more aggressive look. Don't tell me go M5 bumper, because me personally, I don't like it. Well, I do like it actually. I like the M5 bumper. I just don't like how it kind of seems like you're really up badging at that point. Like, that's crazy up badge. To me personally, you guys can do it. I don't care if you guys do it. I'm not, you know, trying to say that, hey, don't do it. If you have a 540, you can do that. You can do whatever you want to your car. It's your car. But me personally, I just think that's really up badging for real. Like, that's crazy up badge. But hey, shoot, you know, till you stay on. But we gonna go ahead and hop off this video. And yeah, appreciate you guys for watching for sure.